Hi, I'm Brittany, and welcome to today's Peaceful Process. Today we'll be talking about drinking water as a part of your morning routine. So just like deep breathing gives you access to oxygen, guess what water does? It helps to get that oxygen throughout your body. And oxygen is what actually wakes you up in the morning. And you're able to circulate that oxygen through your blood with the help of water. It happens so much faster. So I would encourage you to wake up and to drink at least 8 ounces of water. Now, how great is God that He would create something like water that makes up a large percentage of the earth. I don't remember the exact percentage, but there's more water on the earth than there is land, dry land. It is what people and animals are made of. A large portion of our bodies are made of water. It literally can become anything it wants. Whenever it goes into any shape, it takes on that shape. It exists in 3 different forms. Some say 4, but it evaporates, it can be frozen, and it can be a liquid. So how amazing is God that He would create something so powerful and essential to life that exists everywhere, and that is such a representation of Himself. There's a song that says, "Your presence is water," and it is by Anthony Brown, if you're looking for it. And it's such a reminder that He can change form, and He can fill us with Himself, and He can fill everything with Himself, literally everything on earth. It says when Jesus ascended, He filled everything with Himself. Now I believe everything was filled with Jesus from the beginning of time. Everything was filled with God, because it's His life-giving power that created everything when He spoke it from the very beginning. And so everything was always filled with Him. But then Jesus came to restore what was broken and to fulfill what the law or the rules of God could not fill on their own. Jesus was the completer. He completed the law. He said, yes, you have these 10 commandments and all these other things that I'm holding you accountable to, but now you have an empowering spirit and a presence and someone that is with you all the time that helps you fulfill my law. And so when I look at you, I don't see your sin. I don't see your inability to fulfill all of my rules. I only see Him. I only see my Son, Jesus. I only see His blood on you. And it redeemed you. It saved you from the curse of the law. And so when God fills us with Himself, just like drinking water, we can be assured that we will be nourished, that we will be changed, that things will happen more swiftly, that we'll get clarity, that we'll get strength, and we'll get endurance to continue to run this race in life. So that's all for today's Peaceful Process. I hope this blessed you. Please let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.